I hope by this point you are starting to realize just how applicable the frequency separation concept is to all sorts of images and all sorts of problem areas in your images. In this example, we're going to talk about one of the most frustrating things to try and retouch, and that's going to be wrinkles in clothing, and especially wrinkles in clothing that have finite texture on top of them that's like absolutely a nightmare to try and do with the clone stamp or the healing brush stamp, okay? So let me show you how to do it. Here's our image. And if you look right here on the shoulder, you can see we've got some serious wrinkles going on. So because we've already taken so much time previously in courses to talk about the layer setup, what I'm going to do is I'm going to run my frequency separation action. But before I do that, I need to create a placeholder additional layer because I know that this action needs more than one layer in the file in order to work properly. Then I can delete this guy, okay? So we have our Shark Pixel frequency separation action selected, and now we're gonna go ahead and press play. And now it's asking me for the radius for the blur. So let's start at 0. Let's zoom our image into 100%. And let's start building up our radius. Now, because I know what I'm doing here, and I've done it before, I know that I'm looking for a radius that's not only going to get rid of the texture, but that's also going to get rid of the hash, basically the check marks in this jacket. I want all of that information to lie on the texture side of the dividing line and not the color side of the dividing line. So I am going to go a little bit far on my radius here. That looks good. Now we'll press OK. We've got our helpful hints. Let's turn our texture high off, and now we're just dealing with the color data. I can select my retouch layer, and I can use my mixer brush, but here is the important thing again. Because this layer is transparent, if we have sample all layers checked in order to use our mixer brush, we need to make sure that our texture layers are invisible while we're working on it. Let me show you what happens if the texture is on and I use the mixer brush on this empty layer. See what happens there? Well, that looks like crap. Yes, okay, so again, turning off our texture counterpart, we've got our retouch layer, we have sample all layers checked, we're using our mixer brush, and now we're just gonna come in here and start to mix those colors together and mesh them all together. And there we go. A 30-second fix for wrinkles. All right. Maybe a 60-second fix for wrinkles because I want to come back in here and just fix this area just a little bit. I'm going to use my mixer brush just for this one tiny little speck, this one tiny little spot. I want to sample and load my brush up with this darker color along the edge here. That's better. Before, after. Before, after. So maybe it wasn't a 30-second fix, maybe it was a 60-second fix, but before frequency separation, that literally, oops, let me unload my brush with the color. Just gonna mix that together, mix that together. All right. Before frequency separation, that fix would have taken me 30 minutes, 25 minutes to dodge and burn, because there's no way with that type of texture over top of our color that we could easily get in there and use the clone stamp in a realistic way, okay? This, my friends, is why we learn frequency separation. It works great on skin for those beauty shots, but when it comes to retouching everyday clients and getting rid of stuff on product photography, this technique is paramount. It's super important. And so I hope you guys have enjoyed this super fast lesson on how to remove wrinkles.